I'm Charles Canaan with Palmetto GBA, and I'm excited to be speaking at the pre-conference for TAHC's 55th annual meeting, the Bring Care Home Conference. There are 2 Palmetto GBA sessions, which are going to be great for billers, administrators, compliance staff, and clinical staff to get some great information. The first session are Jurisdiction M Home Health Updates, where we'll be talking about compliance, home health utilization to include length of stay and disbursement, and we'll talk about improper payments for review choice demonstration, the CERT contractor, and the UPIC. And we'll finish off with care planning. Our second session is hospice, back with more in 2024. We'll be talking about hospice utilization, focusing on length of stay and Part B spending for the hospice patient. We'll talk about continuous home care, and we'll finish up with improper payments for the CERT contractor, targeted probe and educate, and the appeals area. So providers will get some great information on how to be compliant with Medicare guidelines and avoid those improper payments. So we hope to see you at the conference.